Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture of the course Digital Signal Processing. In the previous lecture, we considered an example for finding n equal to 4.dft using the decimation in frequency fast Fourier transform. So now in this lecture, let us consider an example where the value of n is equal to 8. So we know that the first thing that we need to determine is the number of stages. So the number of stages that is m is given as log of L to the base 2, which is equal to log of 8 to the base 2 with a seal, that comes out to be 3. So we are having in total 3 stages, and we know that as this is a flipped version of DIT FFT, the stage 1 will be an 8-point DFT with a twiddle factor of W8 to the power k, and this k would be varying from 0 to 8 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Similarly, the stage 2 would be W4 to the power k, and this k would be varying from 0 to 4 by 2 minus 1, that comes out to be 1. So we are going to have k as 0 and 1, and the stage 3 would be a 2-point DFT, and we would be having the twiddle factor as W2 to the power k, where this k would be from 0 to 2 by 2 minus 1, so that is 1 minus 1. So we are going to have only one value of k, that is 0. So let us start this, and we know that in DIF FFT we don't need to have any kind of bit reversal at the initial step, but the output that would be we would be getting would be in the bit reversed form. So we know that in that case we need to consider the signal in the given sequence. So we have x of 0 as 1, x of 1 as 2, x of 2 as 3, x of 3 as 4, x of 4 as 5, x of 5 as 6, x of 6 as 7, and x of 7 as 8. So in the first stage we need to consider the 8-point DFT, and for that we are going to combine this x of 0 and x of 4. So the first butterfly structure that we would be getting is something like this. And the scaling factors would be 1, 1, 1 here, and minus 1. Moreover, the twiddle factor that we have would be given as W8 to the power 0, and therefore the value that we obtain here would be 1 plus 5, so that comes out to be 6. So the first value that we obtain here is 6. Similarly, the value here can be obtained as 1 minus 5 into W8 to the power 0, and the value of W8 to the power 0 is 1. So the value that is obtained at this point is given as 1 minus 5, so it is minus 4. So at the output point here we obtain minus 4. Similarly, we have another butterfly structure which is something like this. So we need to combine this 2 with this 6 like this, and again we have the scaling factors as 1, 1, we have minus 1 here, and 1 here, and the twiddle factor that we need to consider is w8 to the power 1. We had seen here the value of this k would be varying from 0 to 3, so the second twiddle factor that we need to consider would be w8 to the power 1, and therefore the value that we obtain here can be given as 2 plus 6, so that comes out to be 8. So we have 8 here. Similarly, the value that we obtain here would be given as 2 minus 6 into w8 to the power 1, and now this w8 to the power 1 can be obtained as like this. So this w8 to the power 1 is given as e to the power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1, so that comes out to be e to the power minus j pi by 4. So therefore the value that we obtain here would be 2 minus 6, that is minus 4, into e to the power minus j pi by 4. So we have here minus 4 into e to the power minus j pi by 4. Similarly, we have another twiddle factor. We have another butterfly structure that combines this 3 with this 7, that is x of 6, like this. And again we have the scaling factors as 1, 1. So we have a minus 1 here and a 1 here. So the value that we are going to obtain here would be given as 3 plus 7, so that comes out to be 10. So we have a 10 here. And the value that we are going to obtain here is 3 minus 7 into the twiddle factor that we need to consider here, and the twiddle factor that we have is w8 square. So that comes out to be w8 square would be equal to e to the power minus j pi by 4 into 2, so that would be equal to e to the power minus j pi by 2, that comes out to be minus j. So this w8 to the power 2 or w8 square is equal to minus j. So what we have here is 3 minus 7, so that is minus 4 into minus j. So here what we obtain is 4j. So the value that we obtain here is 4j. Similarly, we have the last twiddle factor here, so that is last butterfly structure here. So we need to combine this 4 and this 8, something like this. So what we have is scaling of 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, and the twiddle factor is given as w8 to the power 3, and this w8 to the power 3 can be obtained as e to the power minus j pi by 4 into 3, so it is minus 3 pi by 4 j. So this is the value of w8 to the power 3. So at this point here we have 4 plus 8, so here we obtain 4 plus 8, that is 12. Similarly, at this point what we obtain is 4 minus 8, that is minus 4, into e to the power minus j3 pi by 4. So here we have minus 4 into e to the power minus j3 pi by 4. So this is the output. So this is the output at the stage 1, and therefore we have this as our stage 1. And once we have the stage 1, using this output we need to consider the stage 2, which would be 4-point DFT. So we are going to combine the first 4 elements and the last 4 elements. So this 6 is to be combined with this 10, this 8 is to be combined with this 2, this minus 4 is to be combined with 4j, and this minus 4 into e to the power minus j pi by 4 is to be combined with minus 4 into e to the power minus j 3 pi by 4. So let us consider these 4 first. So what we have is something like this. So this 6, this 6 is to be combined with this 10, something like this, and we have the scaling as 1, 1, we have 1 here and minus 1 here. So the value that we are going to obtain here is 6 plus 10, that comes out to be 16, and we are forgetting the twiddle factor here, so that is W4 to the power 0. So if we observe here, at stage 2 we have the twiddle factor as W4 to the power k, and this k varies from 0 to 1. So the first factor would be W4 to the power 0. So therefore the value that we are going to obtain here is 6 minus 10, so that is minus 4, into W4 to the power 0, so that is 1, so it is 6 minus 10, that is minus 4. So here we obtain the value as minus 4. Again we need to combine this 8 with this 12, something like this. So now we again have a scaling of 1 here, 1 here, minus 1 here, and 1 here. And now we have a twiddle factor of W4 to the power 1. So what we obtain here is 8 plus 12, so that comes out to be 20. Similarly, at this point we obtain 8 minus 12, so that is minus 4, into W4 to the power 1. So let us find the value of W4 to the power 1. So W4 to the power 1 can be written as e to the power minus j 2 pi by 4 into 1. So that comes out to be e to the power minus j pi by 2, that comes out to be minus j. So this W4 to the power 1 has a value of minus j. So we have 8 minus 12, that is minus 4, into minus j. So here what we obtain is 4j. Now we need to repeat this same process for the next 4 points. So what we have is something like this. So we need to combine it like this, and we would be having the scaling factors as 1, 1, 1, and minus 1. Similarly, we have it 1, 1, minus 1, and 1 here, and the twiddle factors would be W4 to the power 0 and W4 to the power 1. So the value that we obtain here is minus 4 plus j4. So we have here minus 4 plus j4. Similarly, the value that we obtain here is minus 4 minus j4, as this value, that is W4 to the power 0, is 1. So we obtain here as minus 4 minus j4. Now at this point we are going to get the value as minus 4 e to the power minus j pi by 4 plus minus 4 into e to the power minus j 3 pi by 4, and when we solve it, the value that we obtain is minus j into 4 root 2. So the value that we obtain here is minus j into 4 root 2. Similarly, at this point we need to consider minus 4 into e to the power minus j pi by 4 minus into minus 4 into e to the power minus j 3 pi by 4 into 4 into W4 to the power 1. So the value that we obtain by solving it is obtained as j4 root 2. So these are the output that we obtain at the end of the stage 2. So this is the stage 2 that we have, and now we need to take the last stage or the stage 3 by combining the consecutive 2 points of this output of the stage 2. So we are going to combine this 16 and 20. We are going to combine these 2 points, then these 2 points and these 2 points. So let us start with these two here. So what we have is something like this. So we have a scaling factor of 1, 1, 1 and minus 1, and if we observe here, the twiddle factor would be having a value of W2 to the power 0. So the twiddle factor that we have here is W2 to the power 0 and it has a value of 1. Therefore, the output that we obtain here is 16 plus 20, so that comes out to be 36. Similarly, the value that we obtain here would be 16 minus 20, so that comes out to be minus 4. So the output here is minus 4. Similarly, we need to repeat it for the next 2 points. So we need to combine the remaining points in the similar way, something like this. And again we have the scaling factors as 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1 and minus 1. And similarly, for all of these butterfly structures, we have the twiddle factors as W2 to the power 0. So therefore, the output that we obtain at this point would be minus 4 plus J4. So the output that we obtain here is minus 4 plus J4. Similarly, the output that we obtain here is minus 4 minus J4. So we obtain here minus 4 minus J4. The output that we obtain here is minus 4 plus J4 minus J4 root 2. So the value that we have at the output at this point is minus 4 minus, so it is plus J times 9.6569. Similarly, the output that we obtain here is minus 4 plus J4 plus J times 4 root 2. So the output that we have here is minus 4 minus J times 1.6569. Similarly, at this point, we obtain the output as minus 4 minus J4 plus J times 4 root 2. So the output that we have here is given as minus 4 plus J times 1.6569. Similarly, the output that we obtain at this point is given as minus 4 minus J4 minus J4 root 2. So the value that we obtain here is given as minus 4 minus J times 9.6569, and this is the stage 3. And we know that in DIF FFT, the output that we obtain is in bit reversed form. So the sequence that we want to obtain is x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. But we obtain the bit reverse sequence, so let us first find what is the bit reverse sequence. So this x of 0 has the value of k as 0. So this can be represented using 3 bits, as we have used 3 stages. So it is given as 0, 0, 0. So this 1 is 1, that is 0, 0, 1. So the value of k here is 2. So that is 0, 1, 0. the value of k here is 3, so it is 0, 1, 1. The value of k here is 4, so it is 1, 0, 0. The value of k here is 5, so it is 1, 0, 1. The value of k is 6, so in binary it is 1, 1, 0. So this 7 here is 1, 1, 1. Now if we perform the bit reversal, so if we perform bit reversal, this 0, 0, 0 remains as it is, but this 0, 0, 1 is now flipped to 1, 0, 0. Then this 0, 1, 0 remain as it is. This changes to 1, 1, 0. This changes to 0, 0, 1. This changes to 1, 0, 1. This changes to 0, 1, 1, and this changes to 1, 1, 1. And now we know that this is 0, this 1, 0, 0 is 4, this 0, 1, 0 is 2, this 1, 1, 0 is 6, this 0, 0, 1 is 1, this 1, 0, 1 is 5, and this 0, 1, 1 is 3, and this 1, 1, 1 is 7. So the sequence in which we obtain the output is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, then x of 5, x of 3, and x of 7. And the values that we have obtained are 36, minus 4, then we have minus 4 plus j4, then we have minus 4 minus j4, then we have minus 4 plus j times 9.6569, then we have x of 5 as minus 4 plus j times 1.6569, so it is minus 4 minus j times 1.6569. Then we have x of 3 as minus 4 plus j times 1.6569, and x of 7 is obtained as minus 4 minus j times 9.6569. So the value of x of k that we obtain is given as 36 that we have at 0, then x of 1 is minus 4 plus j times 9.6569, then we have x of 2 that is minus 4 plus j4, then we have x of 3 that is minus 4 plus j times 1.6569, then x of 4 that comes out to be minus 4, then x of 5 that comes out to be minus 4 minus j times 1.6569, then x of 5 that comes out to be minus 4 minus j times 1. So we have x of 5 here, the value of x of 4 is minus 4, x of 5 is minus 4 minus j times 1.6569, then we have x of 6 that comes out to be minus 4 minus j4. So the value of x of 6 is minus 4 minus j4, and the value of x of 7 is minus 4 minus j times 9.6569. So these are the value of x of k sequence that we obtain using DIF FFT. So in this lecture we saw an example for 8-point DFT to be calculated using DIF FFT. So now let us generalize the number of stages and the twiddle factors for this DIF FFT. So generalizing, for any length sequence so the first thing is number of stages. That is equal to m given as log L to the base 2 with a seal. Then using this, the value of n can be calculated as 2 to the power m. Third is the twiddle factor. So that can be written as w 2 to the power m minus I plus 1 and raised to the power k, where this k is varying from 0 to 2 to the power m minus I plus 1 by 2. So if we consider our case of m equal to 3 and let us consider the stage 2, that is I equal to 2. So the twiddle factor is given as w to the power k into 2 to the power 3 minus 2 minus 1, sorry, plus 1. So that is equal to wk to the power 2 to the power 2. So that is equal to wk to the power 4, and this k would be varying from 0 to, so this value is 4 by 2. So we have minus 1 here. So that comes out to be 0 to 1. So in this lecture, we considered an example for n equal to 8 point DFT using DIF FFT, and then we generalized the number of stages, the value of n and the twiddle factor and the range of k for any length sequence. We saw that the m or the number of stages should be calculated using the formula log L to the base 2, where this L is the length of the signal. The n is to be considered as 2 to the power m. The twiddle factor is to be considered as w 2 to the power m minus I plus 1 to the power k, where this k would be varying from 0 to 2 to the power m minus I plus 1 by 2 minus 1. So let's stop here. Thank you.